Jay at dito. Anak muna tayo. Dito ko. Dito pa ulit yun. Like at supply. Dito pa. Comment girl too. Kita yung anak at ito po. Where are you? Tawag na tayo, TV po. So cute niya, guys. Papa. Huwag na tayo, guys. Pangay sa tinan na natin yun, guys. Bye, guys. Awak mo na lang. Awak ka nun, awak mo na. Pagkatagal yan. Sabi ko tigil. Ay! Na, anong tapos na? Okay mo na taan. Ayoko. Talking dito. Ay, ito. Ayan, guys. Itayo na nakaha. Itay. Ay, snack pala. Ayun. Tanag ko po ng... Tanag ko ulit to kintab ko, mana. Para ko po to kintab ko kinaka. Ayaw ka. Ibig tayo next anak man lang tayo. Log tayo, guys. Tingnan natin yung vlog natin. Loading pa siya, guys. Anak pa tayo.
They smell like dead bodies. That's not a nice thing to say, Candy. What's a nicer way to tell a friend that they smell like gore?
Hey you, get inside my house.
What is it?
Get off my property.
You told me to go inside.
Well, now I want you to get out.
I'll leave if you get in this shopping cart.
Okay, whatever.
Oh no!
Hey, how did you lock my house?
My little tricks.
Let me into my house.
Nah, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Are you trying to get in?
No, mind your business. Hey you, get inside my house.
What is it?
died.
Nice. Nice at 8. Makita po nun.
Oh, die. I baked you a pie.
Spread marshmallow to the pan. Spread the
Anak po at
Romy was with steak until she randomly fell into the floor. Then the saddest thing happened to Romy at the end. And what happened to Romy will make you cry.
Where am I? I swear I was just in the kitchen with Cruz and State. Why does this look like a grocery store? But there's no one here. What is this place? Oh, thank God. Here's it. It's right there. I can finally get out. Wait, why isn't it opening? Why is it locked? What was that noise? Ah, what is that? Something's chasing me. If you want me to make it out alive, like and sub. Ah, no.
Where's my lunch money?
Stop.
click the link below.
Lay's original. I cut it like that.
Google Gaga.
Cuckoo Gaga. Cuckoo Gaga. Cuckoo Gaga.
Play with me? Let's build a base now. Bacon, we have to save the kids.
This base needs an upgrade.
What the heck?
Who did this? I built this base for you.
Bacon, where should we go?
We should play with Mr. Beast.
This is a place where you can drink milk as much as you want. But if you like drinking milk, like this video right now. This lake is called Chagan Noor Lake, located in China. Although it looks white like milk, the lake is actually formed due to harmful mineral content. Because of that, the local government provides taps that dispense real milk so visitors can still enjoy it safely. This is a place where you...
I want to go to ticket. I want to go to ticket.
And then a girl cried out,
Vamos to the valley. Vamos a encontrar.
Can we hug?
yeah, boy.
How about me?
Oh my gosh, yes.
She got rejected. The fairy rejected the cultist. Pelt Trader rejects Pelt Trader.
sister secretly went to pick up her older brother and walk him home. When she appeared,
Get out of my house! Fuck you!
when she saw her father eating potato chips, the little girl got curious and asked,
Wait a minute.
I saw a group of people on the street.
Okay guys, pagod na po ako.